हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। घर पे आप लोग पढ़ रहे हैं ना? चलिए ओके। तो टुडे वी विल कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम लाइन। द चैप्टर इज 16 अगेन एंड स्टार्ट इज टॉपिक इज लाइन। सो हियर लाइन कैन बी एक्सटेंडेड टू एनी लेंथ ऑन बोथ साइड। इट हैज नो एंड पॉइंट। द सिंबल फॉर लाइन AB or AB line. Suppose you draw a line, so 2 points, join them. Suppose A and B points. If it is extended infinite and it is also extended infinite, so that is known as line AB, and it can be written in mathematically AB line AB. So next topic is angle. Two rays, look again, two rays with a common end point for an angle. That's mean if end point is this and here is go a ray, and again a ray goes from this point. This point name is suppose AC ray and AB ray. So this is angle CAB. Mathematically we can write it angle CAB. जो बीच में आएगा वो आपका एंगल होगा. Again it can written as angle A. From here we can read it so, or again BAC. We can write three types of this angle: angle CAB, angle A, angle BAC. You can see here all times the angle A in between C and B or invisible angle, it always refer this angle. So you can write angle in degree form. Suppose its degree is 40 degree. So this is degree. This is degree. 40 degree. Angle represents in degree form. So next topic is classification of angles. So we can study acute angle. About acute angle, the measure of less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So some example here: 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, and so on. Less than 90, like 89 degree तक आप इसको acute कह सकते हैं. You can say 86. So we can see here a angle 60 degree. You can draw it by protractor or by compass. And next topic is right angle. The measure of 90 degree, especially 90 degree, exact 90 degree, is called right angle. You can draw it simple, a line, horizontal line draw. You know well, line is three types: horizontal line, vertical line, and slant line. So draw a horizontal ray and its perpendicular line draw on this end point. Perpendicular means 90 degree create हो गया यहाँ पे आपका 90 degree. You can draw it by protractor. I have to draw it by roughly, but you can draw by a protractor. When you come in class, I will teach you again by how to make an angle by protractor or compass. Okay. So name it. Suppose this angle is B and A, and this ray is C. So angle name is CBA or angle ABC. You can write in mathematically ABC. Again B बीच में रहेगा जिस एंगल को हम रेट करते हैं, and again CBA or angle B are names of this angle. You can say angle ABC, angle CBA, angle B. You can see here every time B is indicated because at point B 90 degree is created. So, and next, obtuse angle. If the measure of the angle measure of greater than 90 से above, but less than 180 is called obtuse angle. Obtuse means if your angle is greater than 90 and less than 180. So you can draw a horizontal line and 90 आपको पहले से ऑलरेडी मैंने बताया कि परपेंडिकुलर यानी वर्टिकल लाइन से ज्यादा इधर मूव कराएंगे. सपोज मान लीजिए ये कोई एंगल बन रहा है. तो here created is a obtuse angle. So this name is B and A and C. So obtuse angle is angle ABC or angle CBA or angle B. Again you can see B is between A and C. This obtuse angle, suppose 120 degree is here created. And next topic is straight angle. If our measure of exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. You can draw it by scale or ruler. Simply draw a simple line. Suppose this is the midpoint and here is created 180. So two rays always, angle is created by two rays. Suppose this is the source and here go one side and here go other side. This is suppose B and this is A and this is C. So two rays CB and AB but horizontally opposite direction. So it is created 180 degree. And next, reflection. The measure of greater than 180 but less than 360 is called reflection. You can draw it. Simple draw a ray. Suppose ray name is BC ray. 180 straight अपॉजिट डायरेक्शन था. इससे थोड़ा सा डाउनफॉल करेंगे नीचे की तरफ, कोई भी ऐसे ड्रॉ कर देंगे तो ये जो एंगल क्रिएट हो रहा है आपका ये हो जाएगा रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. सो सपोज दिस एंगल इज 240 या it's raised like that. Suppose example you can see here, suppose 181 degree, 189 degree, like that. Suppose 200 but less than 360. Okay, suppose last angle हमारा 259 degree का बनेगा and etc. Okay, name angle A, B, C is obtuse angle. Sorry, reflex angle. Reflex. Okay. And next topic is our complete angle. Complete means complete हो जाना, कोई चीज पूर्ण हो जाना. ये कैसे complete होगा? If your one ray rounded again reach the other one, that is make complete angle. Suppose you can see the measure of exactly 360. Exactly 360 is called complete angle. How can you make point? Suppose first ray your is BC and this ray rounded again reach BC. So the second ray is AB. Your first ray is BC and your second ray AB rounded and reach again on BC. So it is created here 360. It completed. So its name is angle CBA is complete angle. So बच्चों आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि हम लोगों ने लाइन देख लिया, एंगल देख लिया, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एंगल्स देखे, सारे डेफिनेशंस आपको कॉपी में नोट करना है, इसको लर्न करना है. When you will return our class, then again I will how to make these angles by protractor and compass. We will see this topic again in class. So thank you and keep safe at home. और अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ आप लोग एंजॉय करिए, घर पे रहिए, कहीं घूमने मत जाइए. जो भी स्टडीज हो रही है अभी अटेंडेंस होगी उसमें आप लोग आइएगा. थैंक यू.